In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a language switcher in Shopify. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From your main Shopify dashboard, we're going to move straight into the settings where all your store configuration lives. Look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on Settings. This is where you manage things like your store details, checkout, and in this case, your languages. Once the settings page opens, find and click on Languages. Depending on your layout, this may appear under a section like Store Languages or similar, but you're looking for the option that controls the languages your customers can use on your storefront. On the Languages page, you'll see your current default language listed. To add a new one, click on the button that says Add a Language. This opens a list of all the languages that Shopify supports for your store. Now, from this list, select the new language you want to add. You can scroll or use the search bar to find it more quickly. Once you see the language you want, click on it to highlight and confirm that choice. Then click. Next to continue. You'll now see a list of sales channels and stores that can use this language. Find the store or channel you'd like to translate and click on the toggle next to it to turn that translation on. When you're happy with your selection, click Done. Next, click on Translate. This will open Shopify's Translate and Adapt app, which is where the actual translations are created and managed. Inside this app, click on Auto Translate. Shopify will prepare to automatically generate translations for your selected language based on your existing content. After you've chosen what to translate, click on Translate to start the automatic translation process. This may take a little time depending on how much content your store has, but you can let Shopify handle the heavy lifting here. When the translation is finished, you'll want to go back to your language settings. At the top of the screen, next to the search bar, click on Languages to return to the Languages overview page in your settings. Back on that page, you'll now see your newly added language listed. To make it live on your storefront and enable the language switcher for your customers, click on the three dots next to that language, then click on Publish. A confirmation window will appear. Click Publish again to confirm. Once that's done, your new language is active, and Shopify will automatically add a language switcher to your online store, allowing